Hey guys, here's an update for today. So this is what I'm thinking about as an assignment for today, which is Monday, March 30th. So you should have already done pages 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, and 6-4, which is the front of this page. Remember, we crossed off some. So today we're going to start off easy as a way back from spring break, and I want you to complete this single page. It's only 12 questions, okay? I am going to go over some random examples that I made up. But these are very similar to the ones on this assignment. So this is just going to be a quick video. So we're just, again, converting from exponential form to radical form and vice versa. So here we need to rewrite these radicals in exponential form. So if you look at them, remember, all you need to do is a general rule is, remember, if it's a square root, what number is hidden here? There's a hidden baby 2. And we can rewrite this as 6a can go on the inside. And then remember, this becomes the numerator and this becomes the denominator. So this would be 6a to the 3/2 power. Now, some of these questions are written a little bit different. You can also write this as oh my gosh, I lost my train of thought. Well, actually, just leave it like that. Sorry, guys. All right, so remember, if you have just the square root of 42, there's an invisible 1 right here. There's a 2 right here. So I can rewrite this as 42 to the 1/2 power. Theoretically, you could possibly reduce that, although 42 can't be reduced. And then again, if it already has both of your exponents, again, this guy becomes the numerator, and this guy becomes the denominator. And that's it for the first chunk. All right, a couple more examples. So the ones towards the middle of the paper are going to be like A and B, where you simply need to rewrite. So what they like to do sometimes is they rewrite it a little bit differently, but remember, generally speaking, so in case you didn't encounter any questions on the homework packet in which you had a negative exponents just make this a fraction. So this really just becomes 1 over 2x to the 1/2 power. Okay, but then remember, 1/2 power is just square rooting, so we're just going to rewrite this as 1 over the square root of 2x, and we're just going to leave it like that. So this is your answer. So if you're looking at letter B, so I got 4a to the 5/4 power. So again, 4 becomes the outside exponent, and this is going to be written as 4a to the 5th power. And for right now, we're just going to leave it like that. However, when you get to the bottom 3, these are like the bottom section of your guys' paper in which you can actually simplify it. Because if you look at my third example, I have to the 1/2 power, which again means giant square root. So we're going to rewrite it in a radical first. Okay, but then, what's the square root of 64? Well, the square root of 64 is just regular 8. And if we're doing a square root, we're looking for pairs. So remember my sock reference. So if I have 6 p's and I'm looking for pairs, I have 3 p's. And then this is just your answer. Most of the questions at the bottom do not have a radical left over. Again, so for this guy, for 100, and then this is to the negative 1/2. Remember, negative means fraction. So I'm going to rewrite it like this. Okay, but what's the square root of 100? Well, the square root of 100 is just 10. And if I'm looking for pairs, and I have 12, then I have 6 pairs. And for the last one, if I have 1/3, that's like a cube root. So I can rewrite this as the cube root of 216x to the 9th. Well, the cube root of 216 is in our list is 6. And if I'm looking for groups of 3, I would have 3 groups of 3 if there were 9. So I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me or you can reply in the comments below. And hope you have a great day.